So, hi mga beshi! Ang ating lulutuin ngayon is escabetche. And here's the ingredients: bell pepper, tomatoes, garlic, onions, and ginger. So, we also need oil, Silver Swan spicy ketchup, 7-Up for additional sauce, and then pineapple tidbits. So just saute the spices, add the pineapple tidbits, and then add the spicy ketchup. And then let it simmer. So just add 7-Up if you want more sauce. So add 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the sweetness of the sauce. So put your fried fish in the sauce. Any fried fish will do, but I like this kind of fish. In Bisaya, we call this one katambak. I don't know in your own dialect what do you call this one, but I really love this fish if I make escabetche. So this is my escabetche mga besh. It is very easy and it is very simple. So I hope you will try this. So that's all, and I will see you on my next video. So bye bye.